You have probably seen these types of videos while surfing the internet. You might be wondering how to turn a photo into a video like this. Well, this is actually not a difficult thing to do. You can also turn any of your photos into a video for free with just one click. Without wasting any more time, let's see how to do it. First, go to Google and search for Luma AI. Then you can see the result called Luma Dream Machine. Click it. This is the website where we do our magic. Click on the Try Now button on the right side. It will take you to the registration page of the website. Click on Sign with Google. Register in Luma AI by providing any Gmail you have. After the registration process is complete, you will come to an interface like this. Before proceeding with this activity, I want to remind you of a message. You are now registered here as a free user. You can generate only 10 videos per day here and only 30 videos per month. If you generate 30 videos in 3 days at 10 per day, your video generation capacity will be exhausted. Anyway, I click on this icon here. Then you will be taken to choose an image on your device. Select any image you like. I will select the same image that was in the thumbnail. If you want to generate a desired pose in your video, you can mention it in the text box here. I'll let the Luma AI decide for itself and click this. So this is the result I got. Well, I can't say anything wrong, but it's a little bit not real. Let's upload the same image 2 more times and see what the results are. This will take some time.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After a while, this is the result we got. Actually, I can only be a little satisfied with the third one. Let's put a small text and try this. Let's see what result we get.
A few minutes later.
This is the result. I gave smile in the text box, but she doesn't seem to be smiling. We can actually extend the video by clicking the extend button here. After clicking on it, I will again give the same text that I gave before. Let's see what happens.
15 minutes later.
Here it is. I'm really happy about it this time. I'm not really good at writing prompts. That's why the results we got before were not so successful. Anyway, this is how any of your images are animated. I actually tried a couple of times. Here are the results I got. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Leave your opinion in a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you again with a similar tutorial video. Have a nice day.